Hello friends! Today we're going to learn what climate is. Climate and weather are closely related to one another, but they are different concepts. Do you know the difference? The weather is an atmospheric situation which occurs in a given moment and in a specific place. Look outside the window. What's the weather like now? Is it cold or hot? Is it rainy, cloudy, or windy? Very well. You're observing the weather. In contrast, the climate is the combination of atmospheric conditions that occur in a place for a prolonged period of time. For example, the predominant climate in Central American woods is the tropical climate, because these are hot and humid places with heavy rainfall during summer. The factors that affect the climate are latitude, altitude, landscape, nearby seas, or sea currents. Because of these factors, the elements that make up the climate, temperature, precipitation, humidity, pressure, or winds, vary from one place to another. Did you know that there are different types of climates on Earth? There's a big variety, and every one of them has its own characteristics. We can divide them into hot, temperate, and cold climates. Let's learn more about some of them. The equatorial climate, the tropical climate, and the desert climate are hot climates. The countries near the equator have an equatorial climate. This climate is characterized by being hot and humid owing to heavy precipitation. The temperature is mild, an average of 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The tropical climate is a characteristic of the areas near the tropics. It's a hot and humid climate with heavy rainfall during summer. The desert climate is found in places like the Sahara Desert, the Arabian Desert, the southeast parts of the United States, or a large part of Australia. Is characterized by being very hot and dry. Precipitation is very scarce. The Mediterranean climate, the oceanic climate, and the continental climate are temperate climates. The Mediterranean climate is located along the Mediterranean coast and some parts of its interior. Temperatures are high during summer and mild in winter. Precipitation is not heavy. It hardly rains during the summer months. The oceanic climate is a characteristic of the areas near the Atlantic Ocean and Central Europe. Temperatures are mild during summer. Precipitation is heavy and occurs in all seasons. The continental climate is a characteristic of Eastern European areas. Temperatures are high in summer and very low in winter. Precipitation occurs mainly in summer. The polar climate and high mountain climate are cold climates. The polar climate is located in places like Northern Europe, North America, Russia, or the North Pole. It is characterized by being the coldest climate on Earth. Temperatures range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit in winter to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Precipitation is scarce. The high mountain climate is found in the highest peaks of the mountains. Temperatures are very low in winter and mild in summer. Precipitation is heavy. Over the past centuries, the climate on Earth has been changing as a consequence of global warming, meaning the increase in global temperature owing mainly to human activity. Climate change affects all countries in the world, causing a negative impact on their economy, people's lives, and all human beings. Worse consequences are predicted in the future if we don't take preventative measures urgently. Currently, there are some viable solutions at hand. Would you like to learn about